I'm joined by Paul Chalmers, Chief Executive Officer of UK Trading Academy. It's a
Hi.
pleasure to have you.
Great. It's great to be with you.
Great. What's inspired you to join the ICA event today?
Well, I didn't know about the ICA until about 5 months ago, where I was speaking at an event. I was actually speaking in the World Finance Summit, and the chairman, who is Mohamed, spoke to me after the event, and he said, "Look, I'm head of a great ICA administration, and would you like to come and talk to me about joining us?" And that's how I first knew about the ICA. But I've then gone and done a lot of investigation, and I find that the ICA are trying to lead finance within the Middle East, within the MENA regions. And I've become very, very excited over that. Now that has taken a step further, a very big step, where I, as UK Trading Academy, we have just signed an incredible partnership agreement with the ICA, and we're going to become their educational provider for the MENA region.
It's very interesting. And doing that, that means that you are seeing a huge potential in the Middle East, specifically in the UAE. Where do you see that?
When I look at the Middle East, I see great potential. But the largest potential, I believe, is Dubai and the UAE. The way that they have set the country up from a tax point of view, from a regulatory point of view, then I believe that they encourage innovation. They encourage entrepreneurship within the Middle East and especially within the UAE. And what we are now going to be doing is actually UK Trading Academy, with this partnership that we are doing with the ICA, we're actually going to be opening an office in Dubai in March, and we're going to be providing our accredited courses, because we are the only educator in the world that has accreditation up to a master's degree, an MBA in financial trading. Outside of the universities, we are the only one. And what we want to do is bring that to the UAE, bring that to Dubai, and our vision with the ICA is to get a center of excellence in the world for teaching people how to trade the financial markets successfully. So this venture has grown tremendously since that first chat that we had when I came off stage, in the World Finance Summit. So it's grown and grown.
I love it. Very interesting. But tell me a little bit more about UK Trading Academy. How do you guys help individuals and corporates on the trading?
Okay, in 2010, I decided to open UK Trading Academy. So it's 15 years that we've been online educating students. We have taught over 180,000 students in that time. What happened was 3 years ago, one of the main accreditation boards in UK and Europe that accredit courses in Oxford, in Cambridge, Barcelona, Paris, you name it, they wanted to bring financial trading and higher education to people who it may have passed them by for whatever the reasons. They didn't get the chance to go to university. They didn't get the chance to get a degree, to get a master's. And what we have done is worked with the accreditation board, and we now can provide something where anybody can join and become highly educated. And of course, not just highly educated. What we do is we've got a different slant on education and financial trading. We don't teach you how to be an expert in financial trading and know everything about financial trading, but never traded the markets. You see so many people that have incredible expertise about a certain subject, but they've never gone out into industry, out into the real world. They become a lecturer, but they don't have that real world experience. What we do is mix that. We have the education, but we teach people how to make money from the financial markets. So it's not just learning about them, is we give them the knowledge to be able to then use that skill that they've learned to be able to go out into the markets and make money for themselves for the rest of their lives. And we see so many people, we see mothers who have brought children up and they've never had that chance to go to university. They've done that role because they wanted to. And now their children are a little older. They're in their 40s. They want to now start learning something new. And as you know, financial trading, the Forex markets are the largest industry in the world. They double the size every single day, of the largest companies in the world, like Microsoft, etc. So it is the largest industry. And what we're doing is we're going to be providing the right education for Dubai people, for people within the UAE. And then, of course, we will be branching out to all the other areas of the Middle East. But this is an incredible opportunity that we want to provide a center of excellence within the world. And I've chosen Dubai to do it because I believe that the people who are running Dubai, the people who are bringing everything that they have done so far to Dubai, I believe that this is the place that we need to do that.
That's very interesting. If you don't mind, I would like to add one more question on the
Yes,
UK
certainly.
Trading Academy. As an individual, after I finish the accreditation, usually what's the next step for me? What do I foresee after I finish the accreditation? Do I just take the accreditation and try to do the trading on my own? Or do I find more opportunities that will help me foster and use the knowledge that I have learned at the UK Trading Academy?
There are a number of different opportunities.
Okay.
We're giving you skills to understand financial trading in the markets. That allows you to do a number of different items. First of all, yes, you can trade the markets yourself with your own money. And you can make money from those markets. But you also have the knowledge and skills to go out into industry, into banking, into brokerages. So you're learning a skill that can actually give you a job afterwards as well in many different areas of the financial industry. So there's a three-pronged attack. The third one I haven't mentioned. You may have heard about prop funds. Yes, there are good and there are bad and bad prop funds, but there are a lot of very good prop funds in the world. You gain the skill to be able to make money from the financial markets. For a small amount of money, you can get a funded account. You can pass those challenges with what we teach you very, very easily. And then you can start making money from a large amount of money that you don't have to have yourself.
Oh, okay.
So there's three different areas that you can use those skills that we give you. And of course, everything is online. We were one of the first, we were the first academy that took everything online. You can do it without having to go to university. A lot of people can't leave their existing jobs, or they're bringing up children. They can't spend 3 years in the university. We have taken all of that away. We have made a very easy way for people to be able to learn to that higher level with still doing their current role, whatever that is, to be able to gain additional skills. So we have found a way of being able to allow people to achieve their goals, what they want to do, but still have the life they have at the moment that they may need because of their financial situation, because of their families, because of what they need to do. So it really is giving people a different way of doing it for the future.
I love it. I believe it's very inspiring. Before you go, what would you say as one word for the ICA event?
Exciting. I have a few words. Exciting, encouraging, and the wealth of knowledge within this ICA is incredible. And what people are going to learn from this in the next 2 days is going to far outweigh what you can learn on the internet about the financial industry. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you, Paul.
It's great. Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining me. Thank you.
Great, thanks.
It's great.